Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. Today we have the last ever Ipsy Glam Bag X. Hot off the presses. I'm filming this on February 23rd because guess what? My box didn't arrive till yesterday. What up with that, Ipsy? That's really late. Although I guess you have a lot on your plate. Back to the breaking news, if I'm sure you're aware, it's now official. BoxyCharm and Ipsy are one. Yes, it's all over the YouTube beauty news space. I will be curious to see how that goes. All right, let's dive in and do the unboxing. In case anyone stumbled across this video, welcome. Feel free to like the video and subscribe. And was curious, what the heck are you talking about? Ipsy is a beauty subscription, which is now merging with BoxyCharm, a different one. And as of today, they have 3 different tiers. A little mini bag with deluxe samples for $13. The Glam Bag Plus, which is $28. And then every quarter you can upgrade to this bad boy, which costs like $60. And you get 8 full-size products. You get to select 3 of the 8. And this quarterly box is curated by a beauty celebrity influencer. This month it is Bailey Sarian. If you don't know who Bailey Sarian is, how can you not know who Bailey Sarian is? Anyways, she has like, I don't know, 8 million followers, 7 million. She does Mystery Makeup Mondays where she talks about true crime and applies her makeup. She is fantastic. All right, I've rambled on long enough. Let's dive in and see what I got. Yeah, I selected some products. Do I remember? No. All right, first item. This here is from GEORGETTE KLINGER. It's a rose clarifying toner. You get 200 ml or 6.7 ounces. It says it's good for all skin types, and it retails for $26. This was put in the box, all right, it's safety sealed by Ipsy, and I'm not mad. I love and use toners. I just hope, rose clarifying. Ooh, I hope it doesn't smell like rose. I can't smell anything, so either the safety seal is really protected or it has no scent. All right, what else came in the box? Oh yes, the obligatory, nothing looked good in my choices, so I went for more brushes. All right, this here is a 5-piece brush set from Beauty For Real, and For Real retails for $42. Can you believe that? I've never heard of the brand. It's kind of pricey. Will I use and enjoy them? Yes. Although there are 2 of the 5 brushes are the type you don't use very often. One is like for liquid eyeliner and the other is a very flat, small, just, I don't know, again for eyeliner. There wasn't a lot to choose from. You know that's the case when I grab more brushes because I already own 8,000. All right, could be worse. Okay, what else came in this box? Ooh, we have something small. Feels like a lip product. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, okay, now I'm excited. This here's from Natasha Tenona. It's the Oh-phoria Gloss and Balm. Interesting, gloss and balm. Ooh, is it going to be like the Tarte Maracuja? Because that to me is kind of like a gloss and a balm. And a lipstick because it's quite pigmented. All right, what shade is this in? Oh! No, for some reason, with the packaging, I thought it'd be more kind of salmony pink. It is the definition of nude on a brown tone nude, not a pinky nude, but you know I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, Natasha. Oh, maybe it's minty. Okay. It first kind of smelled chemically, but I think it is minty. It looks really pretty. Now, on the nudes that I wear, they tend to be more pinky. All right, let's see how this works. Perfectly fine. I think it's very smooth. Definitely that minty taste. It's lovely. Not pink, but it's such a soft tan. This is actually going to be fantastic to tone down a lip product that may be too vibrant, too bright, or too orangey, or too whatever. this will be a good one to mix. This retails for $26, and interesting, they say this shade name is Mauve. That is not what I call mauve. That is just straight up nude. All right, next product. We have, what is this? Looks to be, I don't think there was a concealer. Ooh, KEVYN AUCOIN. Oh, that's right. So this here is the Unforgettable Lipstick. Of course, I pull a lipstick out right after applying lip gloss. And this is in the shade Explicit Matte. And okay, it is a twist up. Now that is actually what I would call a mauve. Let's do a swatch. That is beautiful. Definitely mauve. Not mauve. Do I even want to try? I literally have so much gooped on. I don't know what's gonna stick, but let's give it a try. Now this is giving me tart maracuja vibes. It has a nice sweet fruity scent. And yes, it's the kind that will scroll up and down. I'm not mad at that. Okay, what else did I get? Ooh, whatever this is, it's very light. This is from Grown Alchemist. It's a regenerating night cream. Really? For a big box, it looks like something that would be 50 ml and, oh, no. Wow. No, here's the box and here's this product size. Is this going to be 30 ml or 20? No, 40 ml. I'm going to assume it's sealed. Yes. Okay, so these products in the, I don't even know if this is metal. This part's metal, but it doesn't feel heavy enough to be metal. It probably is. Anyways, it's like apothecary. You poke it. I'm sure you received these in the past. Let's see if this is like $80. I can't remember. I'm fairly certain this is something they put in my bag. But that brand can be pretty pricey. Oh! I was overestimating 80. Oh, I'm way under. Can you guess how much this little 40 ml tube is? $130. It better like make me lose 20 pounds, reduce every wrinkle for that price. Come on. Did I read that right? Hold on. Yep, $130. It says it's not your grandmother's night cream. At that price, I don't know whose night cream it would be. All right, well, thank you, Ipsy, for sticking a bougie product in my bag. Oh, God, next product. Oh, okay. I thought they were like vitamins or something like that. I think they're going to have little, I don't know, oh, hair oil. Went from to pot, no. Hair oil from Rehab. I just have short hair. It's not that I'm anti-hair care products. I just don't use or need it, and I tend to be a magnet towards it. Let's see how much that costs, and then we'll move along to the next item. All right, so this retails for $33. It says 30 ml, so I'm assuming each little doohickey mabob is 1 ml, and you get 30 in here. So there's that. Okay, next item. What do we have here? Ooh, something from Fenty Beauty. What are you? You look like a lip product. Are you another lip product? Yes, Luscious Lip Balm. If there are 3 lip products in one bag, and if more than one of them I selected, you know the choices were not very good. Let's see here. Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. And this was placed in the bag. Has a value of $20. Hey, now I use a lot of lip products. Oh, okay. It has a doe foot. And it smells kind of vanilla cake battery. Not mad at it. Just confused why 3 lip products in one bag. Okay, now on to the last item, which is a palette from none other than Scott Barnes. It is the Sculpting and Contour palette. Oh, interesting. The outer sleeve is different than the design on the actual palette. Palette is cardboard, but it does have a magnetic closure, which I find a little hard to open, but there we go. It does come with a mirror, and here are the shades. Now, to be honest, this looks beautiful, but I'm not one to reach for big contour palettes, but I will try and get myself to reach for it and use it. All right, here are the swatches. These are kind of the first 4 I went in, and I decided to do the whole palette. This one here almost looks like it could be worn as a blush. Yeah, this will be fun to kind of dabble into multiple shades to get the perfect shade. I'm pretty excited. The contour palette retails for $58, which, considering it's a celebrity makeup artist, that's not too bad. And you do get 8 different shades. All right, let's recap everything I got in the February 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag X. I got a 5-piece eye brush set from Beauty For Real, the Oh-phoria lip gloss from Natasha DENONA, a $130 night cream from Grown Alchemist, the Luscious lip balm from Fenty Beauty, the rose clarifying toner from GEORGETTE KLINGER, some hair oil capsules from Rehab, a lipstick from KEVYN, and the Sculpting and Contour palette from Scott Barnes. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I've had worse boxes. It's good. Is it screaming from the rooftops? No. Is it better than expected compared to the BoxyCharm box and they're switching over? Yes. I will use and enjoy all 3 of these lip products. I just think it's odd and strange to get 3 lip products in the same box. And I'm sure I picked 1, possibly 2 of these. But if I'm doing that, that means nothing else was good. I love toners, so hopefully this is a good one. Speechless, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Another overpriced, cheap brush set. Again, selected it because there really wasn't anything else. This better be the best face cream. Oh, no, I take it back, because if it's good, I don't want to be spending $130 to replenish it. Oy, oy, oy. I'm excited to play with this contour palette. Overall, I'd say it's a 4 out of 5 box. The hair oil's really the only thing that's like won't get used. Just my excitement factor was, it was okay. Just, I don't want to sound, but you know what I mean? Like, it wasn't like, oh my God, every single product was awesome. When does that ever happen? All right, I still love you, Bailey. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I'll be curious in editing to see how much this all stacks up with the one face night cream at $130. Goodness gracious, this is going to be at least $250 value, if not more. Oh, by the way, I did pick up one add-on. It's some tweezers by MOTD. And for $3.50 for some nice tweezers, could not resist. All right, now I want to hear from you. I want to know, what did you think of my box? What did you get in your box? What have you seen other people unbox? And where does my box stack up compared to others? And I am also dying to hear your thoughts on the breaking news that we've all been speculating would be happening. But with all the rules and the this, that, and the other, and what do you do if you subscribe to both? And I just want more nitty-gritty details. And luckily, I checked, so I'm like, should I cancel my BoxyCharm? I subscribe, or I do a 6-month renewal, and my renewal's coming up on April 1st, so the timing couldn't be better, meaning hopefully they'll tell us what to do, but worst case scenario, come March, I'll just cancel it, and then it won't renew April 1st, so perfect timing. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.